You know what? I want to show you something. Here at the Drunken Smithy, I want to show you random shop. Come here, come here.
Look at the little elf. He's twisting an axe. A tiny little axe.
Tiny axe. A little guy.
Awesome. Let's go see what the little elves are making.
Bubbo!
Oh, the truth.
Little elves are working. Look, we got some twisty hair sticks. We got some Rubik's hair sticks. These are going to be bamboo. Check that out.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. Got Sarah over here helping me out.
What's up?
Ah, it's a little elf with green hair. That is wonderful.
That's just gonna be a hair stick.
There's Drunken elf. He's making a Santa! These are just some of the things that are in the shop from day to day. Blacksmiths are like little elves because we make toys. And I was thinking blacksmith knives, right? Check these out. Look at those. I just finished these today. They're elf knives or blacksmith knives. Come to the Drunken Smithy.